Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, shows 194,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, delivering solid performance and reliability both on highways and rough terrain. The truck has a fresh red exterior paint that gives it a clean, bold appearance, complemented by a comfortable gray interior that maintains the classic Chevy style. It runs on gasoline and has been well cared for, with several recent upgrades such as new tires and rims, a new alternator, and ice-cold air conditioning to keep the cabin cool and comfortable. The engine, transmission, and 4x4 system all function perfectly, ensuring a smooth and confident drive. It also includes 2 keys, and the price already covers the tag transfer and all necessary taxes, making it fully ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1991 GMC 1500, price $6,800. This pickup is a well-maintained Florida truck showing 143,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 4.3-liter engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a black interior, giving the truck a clean and timeless look. The vehicle comes with manual windows, new tires, and already has antique plates registered. It drives very well, reflecting its solid condition and careful ownership history. According to the Carfax report, it's clean with no major issues recorded. The truck also comes with the original front and rear lights, a nice touch for enthusiasts who value authenticity.
Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. This truck shows approximately 238,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek black exterior complemented by a vivid red interior, creating a timeless and bold look that highlights its classic American truck style. Powered by a gasoline engine, this Chevy runs great and maintains the strong performance these models are known for. While the air conditioning is currently non-functional and there is some rust through on the driver's side floorboard near the door, the truck remains mechanically sound and ready for the road. The tires are nearly brand new, offering smooth handling and improved safety.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,400, one-owner truck with 166,000 original miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with the powerful 7.4L 454 gasoline engine, delivering strong performance and reliability. The truck runs and drives well, though it could use new tires and brake service to be in top condition. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, this classic Chevy has an appealing vintage look that reflects its era. It comes with power windows and power door locks, though currently, only the driver's window is operational. The truck has passed California smog inspection and is being sold with a clean California title and the original pink slip in hand. A detailed collection of service receipts spanning many years is included, showcasing the consistent care and maintenance it has received.
Number 5.
1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,000. It features a powerful 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck runs and shifts perfectly with no check engine lights or mechanical issues, making it a dependable choice for daily use or weekend cruising. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean black interior, the truck presents well both inside and out. It rides on 20-inch Mayhem wheels with excellent tread, giving it a strong and stylish stance. The interior is solid, showing no major rips or tears, and comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and an aftermarket radio, all of which are fully functional. Comfort is enhanced by ice-cold air conditioning, ideal for warm weather driving. The frame and body are clean and solid, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance. Although it could use a bit of minor TLC in places, typical for a vehicle of its age, it remains in very good condition overall, especially considering its classic status.
Number 6.
1971 Chevrolet K10, price $9,000, powered by a strong 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers smooth performance and reliability. Though it's a rear-wheel drive model, it handles confidently and was being used as a daily driver up until just last week. The truck sits on 20-inch Mayhem wheels with tires that still have excellent tread. It features ice-cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and an aftermarket radio, all of which are fully functional. The frame and body are clean and solid, showing no major signs of rust or damage, while the interior remains in very good shape with no large rips or tears in the upholstery. With approximately 221,000 miles on the odometer, this K10 runs and shifts perfectly, free from any check engine lights or mechanical issues.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, well-maintained short bed 4x4 pickup that runs and drives exceptionally well. It features a 5-speed manual transmission, red exterior with a gray interior, and has 332,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck has been regularly serviced and used as a daily driver for the past 5 years, demonstrating its reliability and consistent performance. Despite a few minor dents, the body remains in remarkable condition for a nearly 30-year-old vehicle. The current owner notes that they would confidently drive this truck anywhere, a testament to its durability and mechanical soundness. Overall, this Silverado combines classic styling, rugged 4x4 capability, and dependable maintenance history, making it a solid example of Chevrolet's enduring craftsmanship.
Number 8.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $8,300. This truck shows approximately 140,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a classic brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a warm, period-correct look. Powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine mated to a 400 transmission, this truck runs strong and delivers the smooth, powerful performance these vintage C10s are known for. The owner has recently refreshed several components to improve comfort and reliability. Upgrades include a new carpet and headliner for a cleaner cabin feel, along with a new radiator equipped with fans, thermostat, flywheel and starter, and a new battery. Although the registration tags expired in March 2023, the truck remains in good running condition and has been well cared for.
Number 9.
1991 Dodge D250, price $9,000. This truck has approximately 200,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on diesel, offering the solid performance these classic Dodges are known for. It's been recently fitted with a brand new set of Nitto Ridge grapplers, a new aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, and a battery that's only 3 months old. The truck also has new LED headlights and a freshly installed windshield. While it could use some cosmetic attention and the air conditioning isn't currently functional, the heater works exceptionally well.
Number 10.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, with 296,000 miles on the clock. It's seen its fair share of roads, yet it runs strong thanks to a brand new motor and transmission that keep this old workhorse kicking. Dressed in bold red paint inside and out, the truck has that unmistakable classic Chevy attitude, loud, proud, and built like a brick. Sure, the body shows its age with a few dents and dings, let's call them battle scars, but every mark tells a story of decades of hard work and adventure. Underneath the weathered exterior lies the spirit of a true survivor, a fuel-hungry gasoline engine, an automatic transmission, and a sturdy 4x4 drivetrain ready to handle dirt roads, heavy hauls, or just another day proving that old-school trucks still rule the road.